If you're wondering why this looks so different from the kitchen that you typically see in my videos, it's because I am in my son's kitchen and we're gonna do something together today.
Hello.
Hey.
I think this is the first time that I'm officially featured on the channel.
We've never done this before.
We have not, no.
Yeah, this is super fun. So what are we doing today?
Well, we're gonna cook some food.
Yep, and yeah, I mean, cooking some food. I always cook some food. What's the
occasion?
What's so special about?
So here's the thing. I do a lot of travel. I work pretty long hours, and I tend to not do and I live by myself. So usually cooking for one, it's not that exciting if I do an hour, 2 hours of cooking, and then everything else after of cleaning up. And so I tend to be pretty simple with the stuff that I cook. And don't go too extravagant. I love my air fryer.
But also at 6 o'clock, you don't want to start thinking about what do I have, what do I need, what do I want, do I have everything, do I need to go out and shop for something?
Exactly, right? And I like to be a little bit health conscious and focus on like high protein, all of that, and so.
And mom comes in with the vegetables.
Exactly. And so we're gonna do some meal prep today. And meal prep is also something I tend to not do. I go really easy. I just throw chicken and veggies in an air fryer.
Neither do I.
So even this is gonna be an upgrade over the stuff that I usually do.
So literally we've never done this before, and this is gonna be super fun. We'll be cooking together. We're gonna actually be meal prepping with the idea that when he's done with his work day, he's done for the day, he can just pull something out of the freezer, pop it in his air fryer or oven or whatever, and have a healthy meal to eat.
Yeah, so let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's get cooking. We're gonna make egg bites. We're gonna make a beef broccoli dish, and we're gonna make a chicken, chicken ranch dish?
Chicken something with cauliflower. It'll taste good, and it's gonna be high in protein, so.
And healthy. Keto.
Keto. I don't know if that's really keto, but
keto-ish.
trying to at least.
Keto-ish, yeah.
So let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's get cooking.
What are we doing first?
The egg bites, right?
Yeah, I think that's the easiest of the bunch.
And what do we need? Obviously, we need eggs for egg bites, right? Otherwise, it wouldn't be egg bites. For extra protein, we need cottage cheese. And then we have spinach, bell pepper, green onions, sea salt, pepper, and we're going to use the cultured oil. It's supposed to be olive oil, but I've actually transitioned over to using the 0 Acre cultured oil, which I think you have a video on. I've done a video about this. If you want to learn more about it, I really like this stuff. I have Here's the link for the video. Way too many bottles of this. You do? So yeah, I have it on auto shipment, so it just kind of arrives, and I don't always use it. You can't manage your auto ship though. You know that, right? That is true. Mr. Tech. Chop the green onions. I love how sharp your knives are.
Dann mache ich hier einfach mal die Hälfte von diesem Spinat da rein. Mhm. Eins, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Noch so ein bisschen nach Gefühl einfach. Ja. Viel. Der sieht jetzt nicht so appetitlich aus, aber ist auch okay. Und so. Was stand da, wie viel das ergeben soll insgesamt? Weiß ich jetzt auch nicht. Ja. So. Mhm. Nicht mehr, genau. Ja. Bake for 18 to 22 minutes or until the eggs are set. While the egg bites are in the oven, we're going to start prepping for the cheese broccoli casserole, was it? I think it was, yes. So we're going to do that. Before we continue, I wanted to give a big shout out to Supercubes for supplying the Supercubes, and I think they're really ingenious. They are silicone. They come in various sizes. I love the big 2-cup size and the 1-cup size, portion sizes. They come with lids. They're freezer safe, oven safe, dishwasher safe. And then we have these ceramic dishes. You can transfer your
prepped meals directly from here to there and then heated up in the oven. And thank you for supplying those. There is a link in the description box below if you'd like to find out where to get them.
So und ja, so, das können wir auch nochmal.
Let's see what they look like. Oh, they smell. Ooh, look at that. They look amazing. Wow.
So. Ja, das geht schon mit diesem Tomatenschank. So. Dann den ganzen Garlic rein. Und dann nochmal den. Wenn ich kann, dann ja. Und du willst ja so ein bisschen Fleisch von allem. Und der Käse muss ja noch rein.
Also erstmal nur so halb voll machen.
Ja.
Ach.
Dann mach du mal. Dann kommt hier jetzt bei jedem noch ein bisschen obendrauf. Und noch mal ein bisschen Käse obendrauf. Genau. We have the casserole prepared, so we're just heating up the oven.
Beef broccoli casserole, yes.
Just waiting. We're gonna do some cleanup and then get ready to do the chicken. And the chicken needs some hot sauce. My mom asked, what kind of hot sauce do we have? Well, let me show you. I want to get a live reaction.
I love surprises.
It's not the type of hot sauce, it's how much hot sauce. And I have a lot of hot sauce
All
here.
right, he's got hot sauce for the rest of his life. I have no idea.
Louisiana brand hot sauce.
Industrial size.
As you can see, I've already used quite a bit of it. And
what do you do with it?
I got it during COVID, and I pretty much put it on everything because again, I tend to eat somewhat plain, you know, just boring like a robot you know, maintain calories, protein, all that stuff. It's just
make
it down.
Yeah, make it so hot that you can't taste anything.
So I literally have what is this, like a gallon of hot sauce.
Tika, come on, Nuggies. Come on, Nuggies. Go find it. Go find it. Go find it.
No, Staubsauger.
Go find it.
Now we're going to be making the third, or preparing the third meal, which is the, what is it, the chicken?
The chicken cauliflower rice casserole, which is inspired by my friend Cook at Home Mom, and again, the recipe is in the description box below.
We did, however, forget one thing, and I think that's cilantro. I'm a fan of cilantro. I know some people aren't. So
we forgot it.
It's okay. I guess both, you know, you'll probably have it as an optional thing anyways, but yeah.
Just imagine the dish with cilantro, with the little green specks and the taste of cilantro. But I think it'll be just as good.
Yep. So. Tja, man legt das von einem weg, wenn das brutzelt. Aber brutzelt ja gar nicht so. Cup ranch. Ja, okay, das ist jetzt. Teaspoon, quarter teaspoon. With the buffalo sauce.
Ich gehe einmal an die Eigelbe, damit die auch platzen.
Das geht auch so. Wie mit der Dann kommt ja das eigentlich.
Brauchen wir dafür nochmal die große Schale, oder?
Dann jetzt nach ganz oben, so. The chicken buffalo cauliflower mixture is going in.
Wow, this looks really good.
It does look really good.
What do you think?
Well, I want to try it first, so we have to.
I know we've been smelling it, we've been looking at it, we've been thinking about it. So
we have three things, right? We have the ground beef casserole. We have the broccoli. We have the egg bites, and we have the chicken and cauliflower rice with the ranch sauce. Also, I guess casserole. I don't know.
Casserole, yeah.
I don't know what isn't a casserole, but yeah.
Yeah, exactly. What is a casserole? But anyhow, who cares?
Do you want to try it?
Let's try the smallest one here.
Okay.
I'm gonna just.
Now this one's probably already a little bit cool because it's been out a little bit, but.
Wow, that's actually really good.
Yeah, let's see.
That's a keeper.
Oh yeah, that is nice.
All right.
I mean,
save
the
that
broccoli,
recipe.
Obviously the cheese, the beef, pretty easy. I can totally imagine, freezing this, then unfreezing it, and eating it. Okay, then we have the egg bites. These ones should be pretty simple. I mean, egg is egg. I hope it's good.
Yeah.
I would imagine
with
it's
a little
good.
cottage cheese and some spicings and a little spinach, a little chopped, diced bell pepper.
Again, this one's been finished for a little bit, so it might be a little bit cold. I'm sure it's even better warm.
I think it'd be better if it's warm, but it's pretty good. Might need a little bit more salt, but you can always sprinkle some salt on top.
Yeah.
And I think warm is better, right?
Warm is definitely going to be better, but I can already see the potential here.
Well, those
once
are
it's
easy.
reheated,
You can make those for lunch.
And then the final thing, now this is hot because it's fresh out of the oven.
Shall we speak German real quick? Okay, das ist ja immer noch heiß.
Also vorsichtig.
Vorsichtig, nicht die Zunge verbrennen.
Okay, da ist noch ein kleines Stück Hühnchen auch dabei. Let's see. Mal sehen.
Scharf? Geht so?
Hat einen netten Kick dazu, ja. Aber schmeckt sehr lecker. Und ja, es ist heiß. Okay, der Kick. Naja, diese Louisiana Hot Sauce, da ist was dran.
That one doesn't taste heavy at all. Schmeckt nicht irgendwie so schwer, weil durch den Blumenkohl da drin.
But if you understood that earlier, if you didn't, it's got a nice kick to it. That Louisiana hot sauce, that big bottle that I showed earlier, that
does come through. It shines through.
But what's nice is, I don't know if it's that type of hot sauce, but it's gone already. Like, it doesn't linger.
No.
It's not the type where you're going to have teary eyes. So this is
for the rest of the evening, yeah.
This is a nice combination here. So really good.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think all three are great.
I think these are all winners.
Yeah, and I mean, it took us how long to make these?
2.5 hours, maybe?
2.5 hours, but that's with filming and doing it all at the same time. I think, make it a couple times, do it without having a camera on, and
then you have the routine.
You could probably do this in,
I
mean, an hour tops for the whole thing.
You might be a meal prep Sunday type of guy.
Maybe. We'll see.
We'll see. All right, I think we got some dessert.
We do have some dessert as well.
We deserve some. I'll get the dessert.
What do we have? Oh. So what is this? Now this we did not make now. I believe you made this in a previous video.
Yeah, last week's video. It's called Kalter Hund, which is German. Means cold dog, essentially. And it is a no-bake chocolate cake. And it is butter biscuits and a chocolate layering around it.
That sounds
it's actually really good.
Yeah.
We used to have that at our childhood birthday parties.
Oh man,
right?
That is good. So there's no baking involved at all in this?
Nope, no baking.
Oh wow.
I was going to say recipes in the description box below.
Check the link below, yeah. You can make this yourself. It is really good. This would be definitely a crowd pleaser if you bring it. But why is it called cold dog? I mean, it's cold. It's cold.
It's cold. It wasn't baked.
Mm-hmm.
And I have to say, I forgot how good this is. Because it seems a little bit ordinary, like nothing special about it. But once you try it, it's really good. It's rich and good.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. Let me know below.
Or if I should come on again. We could do that as well.
Yeah, if you'd like to see Phil again.
When I'm not out about traveling or something like that. Yeah. But, yeah.
Well, thank you for being on my video. And
this is fun.
We'll see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.